T-Mobile 5G gateways sometimes get stuck on 4G LTE instead of using the faster 5G NR. This happens because the gateway prioritizes stable connections. If it detects a weak or inconsistent 5G signal, it defaults to 4G. Network congestion, software glitches, and even weather can also trigger this fallback. Essentially, the gateway is designed to ensure you have some internet, even if it's not the fastest. This is often indicated by the gateway LED showing LTE mode or speed tests showing results under 100 bytes per second. First, reboot your gateway. Unplug it for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Next, access the gateway's web interface at 192.168.2.1. Look for the Force 5G NR setting and enable it to override automatic mode. If the problem persists, try band locking. Manually select a specific 5G band like N41, known for speed. Finally, place your gateway near a window to avoid interference from walls or appliances. These steps work around 70 to 80% of the time. Firmware updates aim to improve automatic band selection to prevent future issues.